In this video, I'll show you how to get started with naming cells in LibreOffice Calc. Hi, my name is Michael with Office Nifty, and I make quick tips and tutorials on how to use Calc software. Now, if you've never named cells in your spreadsheets before, you might think that this is a very boring topic. But the truth might be further from that concept than you think. In fact, after watching this video, you might end up figuring out different ways to apply this to your existing spreadsheets. In fact, I believe that it will make using spreadsheets even more fun for you than ever before. Yes, I did say fun. But most importantly, it will bring you one step further in becoming a Power Calc user. So let's get started. I'll demonstrate by going to my other sheet. Here I just have an example table of books. So one easy way to get started is to make a selection of a range of cells that you want to name. And here it's very fitting and makes sense that I have a table and I'll just put a name to it. Here I'm calling this book table. Now press enter. And now I'll try naming another range of cells. Here I want to select all the book prices. I'll go back to the name box and I'll call this book prices. So now when I click the drop down, the name box, it shows the two named cell ranges that I've just entered. I'll choose book table. And we see that Calc made a selection of my table for me. That makes it easy to navigate. In fact, if I go to a separate sheet and I use the name box, I can go right back to any named range of cells by clicking on the name. Here it took me to book prices in my books sheet. Another benefit is the readability. So to demonstrate, I can use a formula and just target the book prices. As you see, I'm trying to type in a formula and it actually provides a tooltip, book prices and book table. I'll continue typing and I want book prices. Even before I finish typing, we see that it suggested for me to use book prices and I can hit enter and Calc actually typed in the named cell range for me. And then to finish up the formula, I could just press enter again. And now I'm done. That's pretty handy, right? And definitely when looking at the formula, it's a lot more readable than just seeing something like C2 colon C10. So now I'll show you how to manage the name cells by simply go and click here on manage names. The manage names wizard appears and this is where we can delete the names or we could even rename them and we can change the cell ranges as well. So as example, I could rename this to book price, click OK. Now we see I've successfully renamed it. So hopefully this helps you to think about how you want to name different cell ranges in your spreadsheets. It can definitely be very useful, especially when you plan to present your spreadsheet or share your spreadsheet with some colleagues. It really makes it easy for yourself and other users to understand more about what's going on in your spreadsheets. And it adds another good layer of organization to your data in spreadsheets. So that's it for this video. Let me know after trying it out if it really makes a difference for you going forward. I hope the answer is yes, but I'm happy to be proven wrong as well. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay nifty.